Hello. Hello. Yes. Uh, good good evening. Today, uh, I'll start session 3 on problems on quadratic equation. Okay. Already two session already finished. আমরা দুটো সেশন অলরেডি করে নিয়েছি। ঠিক আছে? আমরা আজকে এটা থার্ড সেশন করব এবং I think one more session will be required to finish this chapter. Okay. So one recap. See, already we finished problems on numbers. Okay, problems on time and distance in details, and problems, more problems we've done. Problems on upstream and downstream in details we've done in the second session. That is okay, and problems on ages already finished. আমরা এগুলি আমরা শেষ করে ফেলেছি, right? So today we'll do problems on time and work. Okay, problems on time and work and pipe and cistern problem. I included that one. আমি এটা আবার include করেছি pipe and cistern problem. Okay, this pipe and cistern problem and time and work both are same, almost same, similar. Okay, and problems on mensuration and problems on geometrical figure. Mensuration and geometrical figure almost same. Okay, and some miscellaneous problem. So today I will try to finish problems on time and work and the pipes and cistern problem. Both are same concept. Okay, so let us start. Of course, with problem. Yes, problems on time and work. Right. So first explain it. Time and work. Say one man give the name A, B, C like this. Say A can finish a work in say 7 days. In 7 days. Okay, A can finish a work in 7 days, right? From this, what you can write, that is in 7 days the person A can finish a work completely, right? So in 1 day, how much part he can finish of the complete work? It is called 1 day capacity of that person. 1 day capacity. Always we will convert first 1 day. In 1 day, there is time. Day means time here, time duration. It may be minute, it may be in second, maybe in hour, maybe in day. All are time in separate units. Separate units. Day is 1 unit. Okay, that is second 1 unit, time, right? So in 1 day capacity or 1 hour capacity or 1 minute capacity or 1 second capacity, you will convert. So consider the example, A can finish a work in what? 7 days. The complete work. So 1 day, in 1 day, how much part he can finish? So 1 day capacity. 1 day capacity. 1 by 7 part. 1 by 7 part of the whole work. A can finish, that means a person can finish or machine. What do I mean? Okay, 1 day capacity you have to find first. Remember. Okay, 1 day capacity. Good evening, Sahil. Okay, very good evening. My audio and video clear? Just confirm me in the chat. Confirm me. Yes, I am fine. Okay. So, 1 day capacity, this way you will find. Or say given a machine can finish work in say 15 days. So, what will be the capacity of this machine in 1 day? Therefore, 1 day capacity. 1 day capacity will be 1 by 15 part of that work. This is 1 day capacity. Okay, thank you. 1 day capacity. This is the way of finding. Okay, so if a machine can finish a work in X days, a machine can finish the work in X days, then what will be the 1 day capacity? 1 by X part of that whole work. The work. Okay, 1 by X part. Here is X days, then 1 by X part. Like this way. This is the concept for today's class. Understood? So, take one problem first. This is the concept. Okay. Then one more thing I wanted to say A is 1 day capacity and say machine. Say it is a machine. It is here A, one person. So machine can say person and machine together can finish the whole work. Say 1 day capacity will be what? 1 by 7 plus 1 by 15. You have to add. Together 1 day capacity, that person and the machine together 1 day capacity. Will be what? 1 by 7 plus 1 by 15 part. 15 part this way. If there will be one more person, then you have to 1 day capacity to add together. This is the rule, or this is the basic concept. Okay, take one problem, then it will clear to you. Okay. Yes. See, first you read the problem. First you read the problem. That is, Rajan completes a certain task. Certain task means the work. It may be graveling, it may be tiling, it may be finishing a wall, it may be pasting a wallpaper, whatever be, any work. Okay, that is Rajan completes a certain task in 5 days. Okay, Rajan. Okay, Rajan. Okay, and Sunil completes the same task in 7 days. Okay, Sunil. 2%. Okay, separately they can finish the work in 5 days and in 7 days. Right? So what will be the 1 day capacity? 1 day capacity of Rajan will be what? 1 by 5 part of the work. For Sunil, 1 day capacity will be 1 by 7 part. Understood the concept? Okay? Right. If they both work together they have to work. Okay? So first of all, you have to find what? 1 day capacity together. Okay? Together. Therefore, together 1 day capacity is equal to what? 1 by 5 plus 1 by 7 part. Understood? I think clear? Together 1 day capacity. That means, what is the meaning of this? That is the total is the result will implies. What is the result? This total, this part of the total work. This result will implies the part of the total work. In 1 day they can finish together. Right? This simplify. What's the LCM? 35, 7 plus 5 part. Okay, that means 12 by 35 part. 35 part. Understood? 12 by 35 part of the total work in 1 day. Together they can finish. Then the whole work. What is the question? How long will they take to complete the same task? Together. It is a 1 day. The whole work. Now come to the point. Rajan, 1 day capacity is 1 by 5. That is in 5 day reciprocal of this part. 5 day Rajan alone can finish that work. Reciprocal of this. The same rule you have to apply here. 1 day capacity this part. That means 35 by 12 days in total. 35 by 12 days will require to complete the whole work together. Understood? You have to take the reciprocal of this directly. This is the trick. With 1 day relation. What will be the 1 day part? Then you will take the reciprocal. Then it will come the date direct. Take the reciprocal and multiply with this. Will get the days. Understood? This is the way for doing. Okay. So this is the answer 35 by 12 days. I think. Check the answer. Yes. Option A. Okay. Very good. Okay. I think understood. This is the basic thing. Come to the next problem. 1 by 1. Okay. First you read. That is A takes. A means name. A here, A, B, C, the name of person, or whatever we can write. A takes 10 days less than the time taken by B to finish a piece of work. Okay. First you read. A takes here A. Okay. 10 days. Oh, it take 10 days less than the time taken by B to finish a work. 10 days less. Okay. If both A and B together can finish the work in 12 days, together work capacity is given. Understood? So what will be the 1 day capacity together of A and B? 1 by 12. Okay. 1 by 12. Find the time taken by B to finish the. Okay. You have to find the time for B alone to finish the work. Okay. So, but what is given the condition? A takes 10 days less. 10 days less in compared to B. So, what is the time of B? Say B take X days. B take, let B take X days to finish the work. And what will be the A? According to question, X minus 10 days. So write down, let B takes X days to complete the work alone, and A takes X minus 10 days to complete the work alone. According to the question, these two given. Okay, given means by X, you have to find the value of X. This is our problem. Okay, right? So one day capacity of A. One day capacity of A will be what? 1 by X minus 10 part. Understood? One day capacity of B will be what? 1 by X part. Understood? Now, one day capacity of A and B together. A and B together. A and B together, 1 day capacity. One day capacity 1 by 12 part. This is given 1 by 12 because there is 12 days together. 12 days together, A and B can finish the complete work in 12 days. Okay, there is 1 day capacity together 1 by 12 part. Therefore, according to the question, we can write 1 by X minus 10 plus 1 by X equal to 1 by 10. Understood or not? See, ভালো করে দেখো এই জায়গাটা বুঝতে পারলে কিনা। ওকে, ভালো করে দেখো। This implies, simplify and tell me the answer. Together 1 day capacity. This is what? Together 1 day capacity in algebraic form according to our assumption, and already it is given 1 by 12 part. Understood? Now simplify. Is it? This implies x square minus 10x. Okay. Right? Simplify. Come here. This implies x square minus 10x minus 10x equals to 24x minus 120. Is it? Multiply diagonally. 20 minus 20. Okay. This implies x square minus 10x minus 24x plus 120 equal to 0. Right? This implies x square minus 34x plus 120 0. This is a quadratic equation. Solve it. Okay. Factorize 120. Factorize 120. You do, I am doing also. You just go 120 by 2 60 by 2 30 by 2 15 by 3 5. Okay. You have to bring what? 34. 3 5s are 15, 2s are 30. Understood? See, that is x square minus 30x minus 4x plus 120 is equal to 0. Is it? Take common x minus 30 minus take on 4 x minus 30. Am I right? X minus 30. This simple factorization middle term method. 4. So you are getting either x equal to 30 or x equal to 4. Two values of x we got. So which one will be acceptable according to the question? See, if you take x equal to 4, if you take x equal to 4, then 4 minus 10, it will be negative. Understood? It will be negative. 30 and 4, very good. But 4 is not acceptable. You can't accept, because if you put x equal to 4, 4 minus 10 will be negative. It will be absurd. Okay? Negative. So which part? X equal to 30. So what will be the answer? X equal to 30 days. For B, x equal to 30 days. 30 days. That means, say, yes, option B. Option B is the answer. Understood? Option B is the answer. I think clear? Any doubt? Next. First you read. First you read. For erasing the board, you have to give me few seconds. Okay. Sorry for that. Okay. Read the problem. Mala takes 20 days to weave a shari. So what is the one day capacity of Mala? 1 by 20 part. Right? 1 by 20 part. And Shreya takes 25 days to do this. So that means same work. Weaving. Okay. Same work in making a shari. That means, so Shreya's capacity will be, one day capacity will be 1 by 25 part. Right? They start. Okay, first you write step by step. First you write Mala. Okay, and Shreya. Okay, Mala 1 day capacity. One by 20 part. Understood? Shreya 1 day capacity. 1 by 25 part. Okay, 25 part is given. They start working together on weaving, but after 4 days Mala has to go out of the town. Okay, that means for 4 days they've done the work together. Understood? For 4 days. So you have to find for 4 days up to how much part they have finished of the total work. Okay? They have to together. Okay, for 4 days they have done. আমাকে সেটা বের করতে হবে first. In 4 days up to how much? The total work of the total work they have done. How much part? So together. Together, Mala and Shreya 1 day capacity. Is equal to what? 1 by 20 plus 1 by 25 part. Okay, right? This equals to simplify. What is LCM? 100. 5 plus 4. Am I right? This part. This is equal to 9 by 100 part. Right? 9 by 100 part they can do in one day together. Right? So how many days they have done this one? 4 days. 4 days they have done. So it is the 1 day capacity at the part. That means in one day they have finished this part of the total work. So therefore in 4 days, 4 days work, 4 days work, the 4 will be multiplied by this 4 into 9 by 100 part. Understood? That means what? 9 by 25 part. 9 by 25 part they have finished in 4 days. Okay. How long will Shreya take to complete the weaving by herself? That means up to this they have finished together. The remaining work have to finish Shreya alone. Is that it? Yes, Shreya alone. So what is the remaining part? Therefore, remaining work. Remaining work. How will you find the remaining work? You have to subtract from 1. Okay. 1 minus 9 by 25. This equals to okay, I am doing separate. Okay, 9 part, that is 16 by 25 part. 16 by 25 part. Understood? 25 minus 9, right? 16 by 25 part. This is the remaining part. And this portion have to complete by whom? Shreya alone. So what is the capacity of Shreya? Therefore, Shreya uh, 1 day capacity, 1 by 25 part. Okay, that is in one day Shreya can finish what? 1 by 25 part, that is in 25 days she can complete the whole work. Complete the whole work alone. Okay, alone. Therefore, this part in how many days? You have to multiply 25 by this. Therefore, the rest work she can complete in 16 by 25 into 25 days. That is 16 days. I think this is the answer. 16 days. Okay. Yes. Option A. 16 days. Okay. Next one, see the problem carefully. Any doubt you may ask? Next problem. A and B can do a piece of work in 18 days. B and C 24 days, that is together. Here, how many persons? 3 persons, A, B and C. And together capacity are given here. Together capacity. Okay. Okay, nice. A and B can do a piece of work in 18 days. A and B, 1 day capacity. 1/18 part. Okay, 1/18 part. B and C. B and C, 1 day capacity. 1/24. Is it? 1/24 part. And C and A. C and A. Okay, 1 day capacity. 1/36. 36 part. Okay. In how much time they can do it? All working together. That means in how much days, how much time A, B, C together can complete the whole work. This is the first question. And also A alone take to finish the work. And how much time will A alone? That two. First find together. That is A, B and C 1 day capacity together you have to find. Isn't it? Yes. So how will you find? Add these all. Add these all. If you add plus, what do you can find? How many A's? 2's. 2A plus B plus C. Understood? This equals to what? A and B means A plus B together. Okay? A plus B plus C. That is 1 day capacity. In place of and you can give plus and also, no problem. Okay? I gave you a plus. Or A and B and C you can write. This is equal to 1/18 plus 1/24 plus 1/36 part. That is, you have to simplify. What is the LCM of 18, 24 and 36? Find out. What is the LCM? Okay. How will you find the LCM? Find out this way. 18, 24, 36. This way find. By 2, 9, 12, 18. Is it? By 3, it is a 9, 4 and 6. By 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Is it? Okay. Now multiply. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 36, 72. Is it? 72 is the LCM. Four, 3, this part. Okay. 72. Add 9 by 72. 1 by 8 part. Understood? So 1 by 8 part of the whole work A, B and C together can finish in one day. No, oh, here is 2. No, yet not completed. Therefore, A plus B plus C 1 day capacity. Capacity equal to 1 by 16 part. Understood? Now it is correct. 1 day capacity of A plus B plus C 16 part. That means A, B and C together in one day they can finish 1 by 16 part of the whole work. I think clear now? Now, so whole work answer came. The whole work together in 16 days. Take the reciprocal. Therefore, A, B, C together. A, B, C together can complete the work in 16 days. In 16 days. This is one answer. Okay, 16 days. This is one answer. And A can alone. Answer is not given here, I think. In the first 16 days, they can finish the total work. And you have to find what? A alone. So, B and C 1 day capacity is what? 1 by 24. Okay, B and C. So, you subtract the 1 day capacity of ABC from ABC. Okay. Therefore, A alone, 1 day capacity. One day capacity means what? The complete work. Subtract B and C from ABC. What is the ABC? 1 by 16. 1 by 16 minus B and C 1 by 24 part. Simplify. What is the LCM of 16 and 24? I'm doing here 16 and 24. 16 and 24 by 2, 8, 12. Okay. By 2, 4, 6. By 2, 3. Okay. Now multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 48. 48. 3 minus 2. Okay. That means 1 by 48. 1 by 48 part. Okay. Of the total work in one day A alone can complete. Understood now? A alone can complete. That means the whole work A alone can finish in how many days? Reciprocal of this in 48 days. Yes, 48 days. Option A. Therefore, the required date for A alone. What number of days for A alone is 48. Yes, this is the answer. Okay. Any doubts? Come to the next problem. Okay. I'm giving you the problem. First you read. Oh, there is one thing. Live stream days. For class 9, every Friday. Time is same 9:30. Every Friday. For class 10, that's I am doing today. Every Sunday. Today is Sunday. Okay. Every Sunday by 9:30. Weekly one day. Okay. And class 11, every Tuesday. Okay. I tried to start class 11 in last Tuesday, but due to some problem of net, I was unable to start. So from on coming Tuesday, I'll start on 9:30. It will be the first class of class 11 live stream. Okay, class 11 maths. Right. This is for your kind information. Okay, next problem. I've been giving this problem to you as homework. This is very important problem. This one. Everyone see carefully. Read the problem. Everyone see the problem. Read the problem carefully. I'm keeping for you as homework. Okay. This is the problem from competitive exam actually. But I am explaining this one and you will complete. A and B can complete a certain job in 20 days and 30 days respectively. That means A and B one day capacity. One day capacities for A and B is given 1 by 20 and 1 by 30, right? They started the job together and worked for 3 days. So in 3 days, how much part of the total work they will finish? You have to find out. Already we learned how to find. Okay. So in 3 days, up to how much part of the total work they will complete together? You will find out. Okay. Then B falls sick and was unable to do the work for 5 days. After 3 days, B falls sick. B অসুস্থ হয়ে গেল. Okay. B অসুস্থ হয়ে পড়লো. So B was unable to with A. B was unable to with A. Okay. So during the last 5 days, to complete the work will be done by A, is not it? The work done. A. So last 5 days, the remaining work will do A. And how much part A will complete? You have to find step by step, right? You will try first. Otherwise, I'll do. Of course, I'll do. Alone, you have to find. And B came again. And B joins him and then complete the work. The last remaining part, in how many days they will complete? Okay. And the question is, the total work finishing time in days. Finishing time in days. You will find 16 days, 14 days, 35 days and 32 days in the options are given. Which one is correct? You have to find. You will give me the answer in chat. Otherwise, I will do in the next day. Very important problem. Okay? Giving this, I am giving you as homework. So next one. Sorry. 20 workers can complete a piece of work in 10 days. Okay? If 5 more workers join, how long will it take for them to complete the work? Okay, very simple one. How to do it? The concept. 20 days, I am showing you shortly, you will complete. 20 workers can finish in 10 days. Okay, in 10 days. 20 workers can finish a work in 10 days. So, one worker in how many days? The number of days will increase or decrease. The number of days for one worker here will increase or decrease. It will increase because 20 workers together completing a piece of work in 10 days. So one worker upwards, it will take more days in compared to 10 days. So if it is more, then it will be multiplied. This is the concept. Okay. And after that, 5 more workers join. 5 more workers join with 20. Then here will be what? 25. Then number of days in compared to this one will increase or decrease. Again the days will, number of days, time will decrease. That is the work will finish early. Then it will be division. This is the concept for this problem. Simplify now. Add this. See the answer. Oh, here this A. What is it? Okay. Add this. So this is the concept. When you will multiply, when you will divide. You have to keep in mind the concept. That's why I give this problem. Okay. Next one. Oh, problem came on pipe and cistern. Second category. I told you in the beginning the 2 categories I will try to finish today. Pipe and cistern, and the concept is same. Okay, pipe means here in place of person, here is pipe. They're carrying the water. They're doing the work. Carrying water means they're doing work. In place of worker, machine, person, here will be pipe. And only one kinds of water. They're carrying water. Okay? Take problem. Pipe A can fill up a cistern in 20 minutes. Same thing. So 1 minute capacity of pipe A. Understood? Directly you can write pipe A. Pipe A. 1 here. Time is in place of days. Here is minute. 1 minute capacity. For pipe A, 1 minute capacity is 1 by 20. Understood? And for pipe B, 25 minutes. Pipe B. One by 25. Part. You will write part of the system. Here, part of the system. Of the whole system. Whole means here 1. Okay. Now, how much time will it take for the system to get filled up if both pipes are open simultaneously? That means A and B 1 day capacity. Understood? So first find. Therefore, A plus B, there is pipe and B 1 minute capacity. A plus B means together. Okay. Capacity will be what? 1 by 20 plus 1 by 25. Okay. Simplify. Simplify. 20 and 25. What is the LCM? By 5. LCM will be 100. But see, 100. Okay. 100. That is 5 plus 4. This part. That means 9 by 100. Part of the whole system. Okay. 1 minute capacity. That means pipe A and pipe B together can fill up the whole tank, whole cistern in how many minutes? Just reciprocal of this same rule. Okay, reciprocal of this, that means 100 by 9 minutes. 100 by 9 minutes. Simplify this one. 100 by 9 means what? Divide 100 by 9. Okay, that is 11 wholes are 1 by 9. That means 11 minutes 1 by 9 seconds. Is it? This is equal to 11 minutes 1 by 9 into what? 1 by 9 minutes here. Sorry. 60 seconds. Simplify. That means 11 minutes 60 by 9 seconds. Simplify. 3 3s are 9, 20. This is equal to 11 minutes 20 by 3, 20 by 3 seconds. Yes, 20 by 3 seconds. Understood? Same pattern. Okay. এই জন্য এই প্যাটার্নের প্রবলেম I collected together. I took together. Okay. Next. The inlet pipe can fill a tank in 3 hours, while the outlet pipe can empty the full tank in 8 hours. There are two pipes. One inlet, there is another one what? Outlet. Okay. Okay. But you have to remember one thing here. One is inlet, another one is outlet. Outlet always will be negative because water going outside is a discharge portion. Okay, it is a draining portion. So it will be negative. What is coming inside? It will be positive. You have to remember this one. So I am writing here. See carefully. Pipe say inlet, inlet and outlet. Inlet. Okay, hour. So 1 hour capacity. There will be hour. Okay, 1 hour capacity for the inlet pipe. 1 hour capacity 1/3. Understood? While the outlet pipe put 1/8 part. Understood? 1/8 part. 1/8 part. Of course, 1 hour capacity 1/8 part. It means the outlet pipe can discharge the whole water of the cistern, of the tank. The whole water can discharge, can drain. Okay, in 8 hours. Understood? But see, which one is bigger? Hose speed is more. Which one is bigger? Inlet or outlet? Which one is bigger? Inlet or outlet? Inlet pipe is bigger size. Outlet pipe is smaller size because it is taking more time. That means smaller capacity of the water, smaller range. The water range will be smaller. Outlet range will be more. This is dia. The dia of this pipe will be smaller. Dia of this pipe will be higher. Okay, higher capacity. Understood? Now, so 1 hour capacity together. Capacity together. 1 hour capacity together for inlet and outlet both. That is one pipe. If you consider the cistern here, see, this is the cistern say. It is the inlet pipe say. Water falling here, and here is the outlet pipe. It is the outlet. It is the inlet. Understood? Inlet. It is the cistern. I think clear now? The capacity of the outlet pipe is lesser in compared to inlet. Right? Now, what to do? So, together 1 hour capacity will be what? 1/3 minus 1/8 part. Understood? This is the main concept to understand. Why minus here? Because 1/8 is the outlet. That's why here is negative. Remember this one. Okay. So, what is the LCM? 24 and 8 minus 3. Right. Okay. It is equal to 5/24. 5/24 part. Right. So, it is the 1 hour capacity is what? 5/4. So, if both pipe, inlet pipe and outlet pipe remain open simultaneously, means together, take the reciprocal of this part. What is time? Total time 24/5 hour. Just to 24/5 hour. Convert it, divide 24/5. That means here 4. That is this equal to what? 4 plus 4 by 5 watt hour. This is equal to 4 hour 4 by 5 into 60 minutes. Understood? 4 hour 48 minutes. 4 hour 48 minutes. Yes, 4 hour 48 minutes. See, this is the answer. Understood? Next problem. Okay. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 1 over 7 by 8 hours. Okay. Okay. Both are inlet pipe. Since it is given, two water taps together can fill a tank. The both are inlet. There is no any outlet pipe. Both are inlet. Say here is another pipe. Both are inlet pipe. Understood? Both are inlet. There is no any outlet. The 1 hour capacity is 1 whole 7 by 8. Understood? Together. The tap with longer diameter takes 2 hours less. Understood the line? Longer diameter. That means the pipe hose dia is more. That means bigger size pipe. Of course, water will flow more in minimum time. That it will take less time to fill up the tank. This is the meaning of this line. With a tap, smaller one to fill the tank separately. Understood? Find the time in which that each. Okay, you have to find the capacity of each pipe, inlet pipe separately. Understood? So, let me to erase first. Okay, both are inlet pipe. See, so inlet pipe, both are inlet. Inlet pipe, say A, you can assume say B. Okay, inlet pipe. Say 1 hour capacity, the smaller one, say A is the smaller one, say it is A, pipe A, and it is pipe B. It is the smaller, it is the bigger. Understood? Say it is the bigger one. So, it takes say X hours. It takes X hours. Okay. Let it takes X hours. Right? And B takes what? Since the dia is more, it will take less time. How much less time? 2 hours less. So, it will take X minus 2 hours. I think clear? X minus 2 hours. Okay. B will take X minus 2 hours and A will take X hour. So, for pipe A, 1 hour capacity will be 1 by X part. Understood? And for B, 1 by X minus 2 part. I think clear? So, for both together, both are inlet pipe. Both are inlet in same direction. Both are inlet pipe. Together, the capacity will be what? 1 by X plus 1 by X minus 2. Understood? Why plus here? Because both are same direction. Both are filling the cistern. Okay. This is X into X minus 2, that is X minus 2 plus X part. Okay. That is 2X minus 2 by X into X minus 2 part. Okay. And in the question it is given that together this capacity is 1 whole are 7 by 8. 1 whole are, what is given? 1 whole are 7 by 8 hour. That means what? 15 by 8 hour. 15 by 8 hours. It is the what? 15 by 8 hours. It is given their 1 hour capacity together. Understood? And in algebraic manner, we got it is the 1 hour capacity together. Okay. It is the total time. It is not the 1 hour capacity. Sorry, it is not the 1 hour capacity. So, if you take the reciprocal 1 by of this fraction, we will get the 1 hour capacity. Therefore, according to the question, you can write 2x minus 2 by x into x minus 2 is equal to 8 by reciprocal of this 8 by 15. Understood? 8 by 50. Now you simplify. That is x square minus 2x. 2x minus 2 is equal to 8 by 15, right? This implies 8x square minus 16x, right? This is equal to 30x minus 30. Understood? Multiply by 15, 30x minus 30. This implies 8x square minus 16x minus 30x plus 30 equal to 0. Taking pen. Okay. Okay. This implies 8x square minus 46x plus 30 equal to 0. Okay. Divided by 2. That is 4x square minus 23x plus 15 equal to 0. Now you have to bring 23 by from 60. 60 factorize 60, that is 2, 30, 2, 15, 3, 5. But to bring what? 23. 23. 4 5s are 20 plus 3. Okay. 4x square minus 20x minus 3x plus 15 equal to 0. Right? Right? I'm doing here. This implies take common 4x. 4x means x minus 5. Okay. And minus 3 x minus 5 equals to 0. Okay. This implies x minus 5 into 4x minus 3 equals to 0. So what you got? Either x equal to 5 or x equal to 3 by 4. Okay. So which one will be acceptable? Which one? Sahil sir, pi part is so tough. No, not that. It is easy. I am doing step by step. Okay. You have to understand clearly the concept. Just you compare the pipe and cistern portion with the capacity of time and work. The same pattern is not so tough. It is more interesting. It is more interesting. Okay. Don't take tension. Don't take tension. If you face problem, just you will tell me. I will make a separate video upon this pipe and cistern. Only for pipe and cistern I will do a separate class. Don't take tension. Okay. Now tell me which value is acceptable, x equal to 5 or x equal to 3 by 5. Say 3 by 4 is less than 1. 3 by 4 is less than 1. So less than 1 means what? It will be negative. So it is not acceptable. 3 by 4 is not acceptable. So x equal to 5 is acceptable. X equal to 5. So what is the question? Find the time in which the each tap can fill up tank separately. Yes, separately. So if you take x equal to 5, x equal to 5. So A will take what? 5 hours, and B will take 5 minus 2, that is 3 hours. The option A is correct. It is A 5 hours and B 5 minus 2, that is 3 hours. If you take x equal to 5, understood? If you take x equal to 5, understood? So step by step you have to do, but one thing, your concept must be clear. Okay, and one suggestion for you, you will see all the worked out examples from your book, whatever book you have. You will, of course, you will see all the worked out examples, because for maths there are 2 exercises for each chapter. 2 exercises always. 2 exercises. One is solved exercises, another one is unsolved exercises. But both are exercise. One is solved, one is unsolved. You have to see both. Then your concept will be clear. You must see all the solved examples first, step by step. Okay. Okay. I think this one is clear. Next one. What is the next problem? See. 2 water taps together can fill a tank in 6 hours. Okay. The tap of larger diameter, okay, takes 9 hours less. Here was 2 hours less. Here is 9 hours less. Then the smaller one, this one, okay, to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill. Oh, this is the same problem. This is the same problem. Okay, you will do. Sahil, you will try this one. Same problem. A same category problem will come in your exam. I tried to cover all. What is the next one? Oh, and. Okay. Today's session already we finished. There is no more problem. This was the last problem. Okay. This was the last problem. The same pattern already we have done. Now what will be your task? You have to practice on time and work, pipe and sister problem. Time and work and pipe and sister problem, you will try yourself. Right? I am here, don't take tension. So in next class, what will be the topic? Next class, what will be the topic? In next class, already finished what? Problem 1, time and work, pipe and cistern problem, problems on mensuration. In next session, problems on mensuration and problems on geometry, all are same, related. Mensuration is a part of geometry, from geometry. Nothing but it is geometry. Geometry is a big portion. Okay. So 90% is geometry. Right. So mensuration, geometry all same, and some miscellaneous. So separate interesting problems we will try to do in the next session, and that session will be the last session for these problems on quadratic equation. Okay. So thank you everyone. So good night.